Okay, all Philips 2021 TV are getting a new sound feature. So the new sound feature will be called sound personalization, and as well it will give you the ability to test your hearing so that the TV can configure the sound that comes out of it to your to what it seems to gather from your hearing test. I don't know about this new feature because there are some people that are not just some people, there are a lot of people that like louder content or playing something louder. So I don't know how this would gauge who likes something that is loud and who likes something that is not loud. That's gonna be a bit hard, but the sound personalization is a very good and feature to own on the TV because it adjusts the volume accordingly to help compensate for each individual's hearing capability. Okay, so it is nice. It is really nice, but I don't know. I don't know. I am looking at a scenario whereby a lot of people may want something louder, but the hearing test can say that, okay, this volume needs to be at this level. I don't think this would be too correct in its processing, but I don't think it will be bad overall because there are some people that need this sort of feature because of their hearing and all that. Someone like me, I really don't care. But if you're gonna buy the Philips 2021 TV, any of their line of their OLED display, just know that this new update is coming to all of them, which is decent overall. These TVs I think will go on sale in the next 2 months in May, so just expect that. That's if this is really important to you. But other than that, do follow us on our YouTube channel, do subscribe, like our content, follow social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.